Come test drive the 2003 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, center console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.